Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I am going to discuss about DHCP. So what is DHCP? DHCP stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. So what happens when we make a network? So in that network we were assigning the IP addresses and the gateway addresses and these and the subnet mask manually. So DHCP gives us benefit. It automatically assign the IP address and the rest of the network configuration. So here to make the implementation of DHCP, we will take one router. Okay, so for router, let's take some PC. Let's take two PC, one server, and let's take another network. Okay, so we have taken two PC for one network along with one server and two PC for another network. So for this network, let's take one switch for each network. So we have taken one switch for each network. Now we have to connect them. So let's connect them. Okay, automatically choose connection type. We are connecting them. It has been connected. Okay, it also has been connected, and it also has been connected. Perfect. Now PC2, now this one also has been connected. Okay, they have been connected now. So what we have to do, we have to go to router, and before going to router, just look at it. The network 1 is this one, which is connected with gigabit ethernet 000, and this is network 2, which is connected gigabit ethernet 001. So let's click on the router and go to CLI and make it no, and then write enable, and after enable configure terminal. Now we had configure terminal, and we have to choose the interface, which is gigabit ethernet net 0/0/0. Okay, this is the interface which we have taken, and for this we need to assign the IP address, which is going to be 192.168. Let's put 1.1. IP address is the gateway address for the network 1. Okay, so we are putting this gateway address on the interface gigabit ethernet 00, and we have to put the corresponding subnet mask for this. It is going to 255.255.255.0. Now press enter. Now we had assign it, and now we have to put no shutdown because we need to make it turn on, and now it is turned on. If you will look at it, you will see it is showing red. It is showing green, and previously it was showing red to us. Now what we have to do, we have to choose another interface, which is gigabit ethernet 001. Okay, we had taken this interface. Now we had to assign the gateway address for this as well. It is going to be 192.168.2.1. okay, this is the gateway address. Now we have to put no shutdown. Okay, now no shutdown before so now you can see it is showing you green right now. Okay, so we have configured this. Now what we have to do, we have to configure DHCP pool. So how we are gonna configure DHCP pool? So DHCP pool, by the way, router is gonna work like a DHCP server. It is going to assign the IP addresses. It will help to get the IP addresses to each individual PC and server in any network if they are existing. Okay, so let's firstly we need to come out of interface. Now we had come out of interface. Now IP DHCP and pool, and we have to let's put the network something. Put the name of network, which is network 1. Okay, this is the first network I am talking about, and the network is going to be for this network 1, for this DHCP pool network 1. By the way, network 1 is the name of the pool, and the network is going to be 192.168.1.0. This is the network, and we need to put the corresponding subnet mask for it. Okay, this is the corresponding subnet mask. Okay, now we have to put the default router, which is the by the way gateway address for it, default router, and it is going to be 192.168.1.1. Okay, this is the default router and this is the gateway. And now DNS server, it is going to be 8.8.8.8. Okay, now we had done this and I come out of it. Now we had configured for this this network, which is 192.168.1.0. We had configured this, which is connected with gigabit Ethernet 000. Okay, now we have to repeat the same process for this network, and this network is connected with router on the interface gigabit Ethernet 001. Okay, so now come to this. Now we have to again type it DHCP pool. Okay, it is IP DHCP pool. Okay, what is it? IP config. Okay, it is okay. Actually DHCP pool, and along with we have to put the network name as well. What is the pool name? So it is going to be network 2. Okay, so it is the network 2 is a DHCP pool which we have been created, and network and 192.168.2.0, this is the network, and the what is the subnet mask, which is going to be 255.255.0. and remove this dot. Okay, we have removed this is the network. Okay, now default router, which is the default gateway. Default router is going to 192. It is 2.192.168.2.1. So this is the default router. Now DNS server is going to be same 88.8.8. Okay, this is the DNS server. It is going to be same, and now we have to come out of it. Now we had configured all of the things. Now now you have to go to the PC0. Okay, now desktop IP configuration. You have to click on DHCP, and it is requesting now for IP address. And you can see they have this PC get IP address along with subnet mask, default gateway, and DNS server. Which we had set up in router CLI, and router was responsible for making sure that I am giving you the IP addresses which is going to dynamically assign, which is going to automatically assign in the PC. Okay, so go to PC1, desktop IP configuration, DHCP, and it is also requesting. Okay, it got now server, desktop, IP configuration, and DHCP. Okay, it is going to get also. It has been now come to here PC2, desktop, and DHCP, and the network will be different. It is going to, okay, let us look at it. It is 192.168.2.0. This is the network here, and in that it was 1.0. Okay, now come to PC3 and desktop, IP configuration, DHCP. Okay, now it has been assigned IP address. Now just try to send the data packet. It will reach inside the network. It is obvious. If you send them outside the network, it may fail in first time, and in second time if you will send it, it should be successful. Okay, it is successful. Now let's make it run in simulation. Okay, and let's see what happens. Okay, so it is sending ICMP request. Okay, ICMP, yeah, it is going PC0 to PC2. It is reaching. Now this green packet is reaching PC server 0 to PC2. Okay, now it is reached. Pink packet has been reached, which is okay. Now pink packet sending back the message. Okay. Okay, first packet has been successful, and the second packet also has been successful. Okay, so this is how we create implementation of DHCP, and this is how DHCP work. You also see in the simulation. Okay, If you have any doubt, just let me know in comment section. I will gonna resolve that doubt. Okay, that is what for it in this video. We will meet in next video. Thank you for watching.